Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 508 SW. This is the GT line, so it does come with a superb specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, front and rear parking aids including a rear colour camera. You've also got satellite navigation and a wireless charging plate for compatible mobile phones, along with dual zone climate control and a speed limiter. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.